Hey y'all, welcome to your newest listing here in Carmel, Indiana. The address is 12450 Springbrook Run. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, finished basement in the east side of Carmel. Come on, let's take a quick tour. Hey, we're inside on the main floor of this beautiful Carmel house. Come on in, let's take a quick tour. All right, we are in our open kitchen area. One thing I really like about and appreciate this kitchen is that it has a nice island space. The unique thing about this is both island and the kitchen countertop have granite countertop. Stainless steel appliances, white. It smiles really good. Take a look. One thing I think you'll really enjoy about this particular house is that we are still in the kitchen space, but it does give you that open concept to your living space with the fireplace. Also on this main floor, you're gonna have a dedicated office space for home workers and a formal dining room. Let's go take a tour. Hey y'all, we're up here on the main floor. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. Come on. As you can tell, we're down here in the basement area, completely finished basement in the Carmel area. Let's take a quick look at that.